there's a reason why I left.
I like your honesty.
Yeah, but of course I'm not gonna say what I told you on air. What was that though? You will never know. We were just me and my guest were having a conversation earlier. We're not gonna bring you into the fold. Di kayo kasali dun, but may binash ako. Hala! Hindi na natin kung marireveal mamaya. Anyway, fam, welcome to another episode of Easy Rock Plugged In with yours truly. My name is Shai. I just ended my show earlier from 2 to 6 in the afternoon, and now I'm here on your phones, tablets, whatnot, whatever device you guys are using. Again, hi to you. And if you're already on a device, don't forget later on after this, download our mobile app, Easy Rock Mobile. Easy Rock Mobile. It's where you could tune in to all of our programs. Anyway, for today's guest, for this afternoon/evening's guest, we have the very talented and very highly established, and oh my goodness, I'm such a huge fan, artist here in the Philippines. Ang dami kong intro. Please welcome Mr. Jonoy Dadao. Jonoy. How am I supposed to say
Jonoy.
Jonoy. There we go. I
Hello.
think I've been butchering your name ever since.
It's okay.
There you go.
I'm used to it.
You're used to it,
Yeah.
right? Did you ever ask your parents why it was spelled that way?
My uncle gave me that name. It's
okay.
sort of a combination of my name, John, and Nonoy. So Jonoy.
Okay, Jonoy. There you go. So that's why. There you go. Anyway, welcome once again to Easy Rock Plugged
Thank
In.
you.
If I'm
Thank you
not
for having
mistaken,
me.
it's your first time ever in MBC, Easy Rock, yeah, in general. Hindi ba?
Hindi naman yata. I think a few years back nagbisita rin ako to promote my album. Yeah.
Okay, there you go. Probably wasn't me interviewing you kaya hindi ko maalala.
Hindi pa.
Probably
Wala
not.
ka pa yata dito.
There you
Yeah,
go.
that's right.
Probably it's roaming around looking for a job or something. And then the day after you were interviewed, feel ko dun ako na-hire, parang ganun.
Yeah.
Anyway, Jonoy, I gotta ask about you and your music and your career. How long have you been in the music industry?
I think it's more than 25 years. I just rounded it off to 25. Para meron lang a certain...
Give or take, ganun.
give or take, 25 years, yeah.
And what made you feel like, you know what, this is the year I'm going to be celebrating that more or less 25th year?
It was a combination of luck and I met a friend, si Jason Conanan. I co-produced the show for the concert with him. We had a show before sa smaller venue. Why not go to a bigger venue?
Let's make it this year.
Yeah,
Parang
let's
ganun.
make
Alright.
it this year. So after touring cafes all over the Philippines, I might as well go big.
Go big. But no go home yet, ha?
Nah,
Just
not
go
yet, not
big.
yet.
That's it. There we go.
Not yet.
All right. But how did your journey nga ba as an artist begin that more or less 25 years ago? And what were some of the challenges that you faced when starting out?
It all started sa UP Diliman. I went to school there and my sister came from for a vacation sa probinsya namin, and then she brought a tape. It's called Ultra Electromagnetic Pop.
Ano kaya yun? That sounds so familiar.
So
Vaguely.
this band called Eraserheads.
Oh, mga mukha nga rin, like, mukhang they can do well in the industry.
So basically, Eraserheads inspired me to be a musician.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So ganun. I listened to their songs and I was thinking, wow, I think I can do this kasi I like singing. I was before nung high school. They keep on asking me to sing sa mga programs and mga ganun. And then Eraserheads ignited my musical creative.
But before
mind.
that, were you already into, like, we were already performing or already?
No.
Wala talaga.
So when I took the UPCAT for UP entrance exam, sabi ko, I need to pass this one para so I can catch Eraserheads live. Of course. That was the goal. So, sorry, parents.
Sorry, parents, if that was the reason why. But I'm sure you guys are still proud that I got in, di ba? Okay na yan, anak, whatever your reason was, basta nakapasa ka, pumasok ka, di ba? There you go. But yeah, it's very obvious that the Eraserheads really made an impact in so many artists who are in the industry now. Because you're also not the first person to say that here in Easy Rock plugged in. And baka naman, guys, next time, di ba, you can say that it's Jonoy who really inspired you to pick up that guitar and whatnot. And I'm sure, honestly, I'm not even kidding, I'm not even pulling your leg. Naniniwala ako may mga tao nagsabi na yan.
Well, some kids approach me after a show or something na, "Hi sir, I'm writing a song now because of you," like that. It's so heartwarming. It's very, yeah.
And I think for a lot of OPM artists rin naman, like that's the goal, to inspire more the generations after.
I mean, unknowingly inspiring someone is the best. Like,
there you go.
Just make music and then you inspire people. It's the best feeling.
Huge bonus on your part, right? Well, looking back on your 25-year journey, was there ever a moment when you thought about just okay na ako, or you know what, this isn't working out, we walking away from music? Or if there was a chance, that time, what made you say, I'm gonna stay? Never.
I'm not going away from music.
Please and thank you.
It's sort of this is what I'm good at. So
we agree. Yeah.
I know. I mean, personally, dapat meron kang level of confidence in yourself na ganun. Not too much. Huwag umabot sa arrogance. So dapat confident ka lang, and then sabi ko, I'm through highs and lows ng being a musician here in the Philippines. Let's do it. I mean, what else?
I love that. So, wala talagang ganung moment in the 25 years. And I guess it really worked out for you because here you are, di ba?
I think, siguro yung when you say moment, like, na parang nakita mo na, when after a gig, parang, konti nang nanood, or like, just 2 tables are occupied. There's this, it's very heavy. At the same time, it's encouraging. I mean, 4 people is
I get that.
That's 4 more people than nothing.
I get that.
So parang ganun yung approach ko sa yung mindset.
Very positive yung mindset mo. Glass half full ka madalas.
I'm that guy.
Okay. Not me, but glad for you. Negative po talaga ang tao. Like there's this cloud hovering over me. Hindi lang kita sa camera, guys. Cloud.
Wait. When it comes to my music, when it comes to
I get that. You're quite positive.
Sa music ko kasi yun nga yung confidence, yung alam ko, this is yung alam ko na yung ability ko to make music is it's right there. I mean, doon ako masaya, doon ako sumasaya, doon ako na like I'm what do you call this, yung self-worth mo. The self-worth is there when I create music. I know I'm doing
solid
something good. Parang I'm doing something good.
But I like that you clarified. Sa music ko, sa trabaho ko as a musician, pero pag sa ibang aspeto ng buhay, I see the cloud now. Nakikita ko na rin.
Yeah, that's
Same
right.
na kami.
Yeah.
I got that. Okay, I got. Thanks for the honesty once again. Well, this time, if you could collaborate with any artist, dead or alive, who would it be, and what would you want to create together? Cooking show siguro ganun. I don't know. Let me know.
Dead or alive? Oh wow, that's an amazing question. I started listening to James Taylor when I was a kid, when I was in high school. Probably James Taylor. He's still alive. So,
he is.
That would be great. I mean,
I think he was here last year.
Did
you get to watch his concert?
Because I have a show.
Well, you know what? That's a good problem to have. Okay lang.
I had a show, so I wasn't able to catch James Taylor.
But it was pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to let you know. I have videos if you want. I'll share the videos for you. It was really, really good. And yun nga kasi syempre again with Easy Rock Manila, so we play a certain set of songs, a certain flavor of songs. And obviously James Taylor is definitely for us. And it's just nice to know that I just played this earlier in my show and then I got to see him then. But Sorry, pinapainggit kita. Mali ko yun. Mali.
It's okay, it's okay. Ganun din yung yung feeling na yun nga, pinapakinggan ko lang sa earphones to and then he's right there. Ganun yung ang ganda ng music sa ating buhay.
There you go. Well, at least now we know. James Taylor, the next time you come over, baka naman po.
Yeah.
Jonoy.
Let's go.
Come on, James.
Papa James.
James and Jonoy, let's go. Anyway. Go. Diba? Pwede, why not? But anyway, this time before we get to talk about a little bit more of the serious stuff, your career and whatnot, we do have an icebreaker. It's called Sing That Mood. Ayan. So since we know you're just
Sing that
this
mood.
whole
Okay,
talent.
so let's see if
whole
I
thing
can
going on.
if I can think of a song.
Yeah. So basically, I'm gonna give you a scenario, and you must sing a song that best.
Any song.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Your song, other people's songs, James Taylor, Erasers, whoever, whatever. Let's go. So this is the first scenario. What song can you give me when you are stuck in traffic?
Oh,
Sorry.
stuck in traffic.
Screamo, ganun.
Oh, wait. Stuck in traffic, probably, Pare Ko by Eraserheads. Oh, pare ko, meron akong problema. Huwag mong sabihin na naman, hinlab ako sa isang kolehiyala. Di ko maintindihan. Ang ganda ng kantang yun.
Oh, ang ganda ng boses mo.
Basta yung kanta na yun ay, it's very, sobrang siyang, it's like you're in the mirror. Like, ako to eh. Ganun magsulat yung Eraserheads. Kaya talagang sobrang love
the
na
impact
love.
talaga that they had on you to kickstart your music
Let's
career.
go.
No?
Let's go.
Okay,
Another
next
mood.
next mood, realizing you've fallen in love.
Ooh. It's a Kenny Rankin song. I've ordered some rain for tomorrow. The sky will be sunny but wet. But I don't know where you're gonna be there. And I say, yeah, pardon me, haven't we met? Yeah. Ano nga title? Haven't we met? Yeah.
That one I haven't heard yet, but pwede bang pwede bang you can just sing the entire show. The entire 20 minutes, could you just
baka
sing?
makatulog ka.
No.
I'm not offended when people like parang sabi nila nakakaantok daw yung boses
Very
mo.
Very lullaby yung boses mo kasi.
Like, sa mga shows, it's okay na medyo parang napipikit na ng konti yung hindi ako masyadong na-offend actually.
Okay. So it's a good thing for you.
It's a good,
alam mong it's not because they were bored.
Yeah,
it's because they were relaxed.
Yeah. I remembered my brother used to play my album sa baby niya pag umiiyak. Pag plinay na daw niya yung album ko, tumatahimik yung baby.
That's so moving.
Ang weird.
Tito Jonoy.
Tito Jonoy.
Kinis. Well, okay, fine. Baka daw matulog tayo, so wag.
Wag muna.
Next scenario though. Song for a fresh breakup.
Fresh breakup. Dumating na naman ang dapit hapon, isang araw ang nagdaan, uuwi nang walang nag-aabang, heto na naman. Yan. That was my song. It's called Dapit Hapon.
More. Could we make 15 of this? Okay, but anyway, from a breakup, how about a song for a scenario where you're finally moving on?
Move on. Actually, it's still Dapit Hapon.
Yes. I thought you would say that.
I wrote it actually, like, it's a very hopeful song actually when I wrote it. Parang hopeful ako nun. Kasi yung last line nun ay, umaga na naman, babangon ng muli, isa-isang ilalakip, sa aking puso na iwan mong bakas.
English version yan. The sun will come out tomorrow. Sorry. Sinira ko. Sorry, John. Sorry.
That song is like, yung mga fans ko, favorite nila yan kasi it's sad daw. But I always tell them, it's sad until you realize na it's a hopeful song. Yun yung,
I think based talaga sa
yung
pinagdadaanan mo.
That's why palagi kong sinasabi din sa mga tao na however you feel about my songs, it's valid. It's always valid. If you're sad listening to Dapit Hapon, yes, of course.
Wala kang instructions for that song.
No instructions. So, kumbaga, free for all, parang yung how you feel pag pinakinggan mo yung song,
tama ka.
Ganun. Wala siyang parang, although syempre merong story behind the song, but when it's out there and people are consuming it, it's theirs.
Whatever you feel about it, tama ka.
It's theirs.
I get that. Kaya yan tuloy, guys. Another real huge reason for you to go check out Johnny's concert, everything, performance and whatnot. All right, but speaking of that, you've done sold-out cafe shows and now a major concert. Where do you feel?
This is major,
Where do you feel like most at home? Small, intimate gigs or a bigger stage like UP, whatchamacallit?
Definitely small spaces. It's maybe because I like talking to people when performing. Naririnig ko yung, I can hear the silence. Yung ganong ano. And then I can see their faces. I want to see them cry. I want to see them smile or sleep.
Yes, or sleep,
yeah. So, bigger venues sometimes it's yun na yun. Just rock out minsan ganun yung ano. But my music kasi it's yun nga for smaller, for very very intimate shows. That's why for this show actually it's a bigger venue, Metropolitan Theater, but it's still gonna be a very intimate show. They're seated, and then I have an orchestra with me, so it's still a very intimate show. Hindi siya yung parang porque malaking venue para siyang magiging alam mo yun. No fanfare, no lights na crazy, mga ganun.
Pyrotechnics,
pyrotechnics, that's right.
I mean, sure, if you want that, go. But in the case of John, wala. So basically, guys, you gotta be there to actually understand what he's talking about, to really do see it. But yeah, your upcoming concert, I might be butchering because I'm so bad at our language. Liwayway at Dapit Hapon. Did I say that right? Yeah. It's a huge milestone in your career. What made you finally decide nga na, from the small cafes to do a solo concert after all these years?
Honestly, I think parang yung fear ng bigger venue sa akin, medyo anxious talaga ako sa ganyan. Kasi syempre, every time may show, palagi akong kinakabahan. So, I think this is telling myself head on yung fear na yun ay gusto ko nang tapusin.
And you to just really get out of your comfort zone finally.
Parang ganun. So, so medyo nakakakaba siya kasi yun nga, first time na big venue, solo concert, ikaw yung main act or something, walang iba. So, let's go.
You did say solo, but you also did say orchestra. I get the difference, obviously, but I do want to talk about the orchestra part real quick. You'll be playing with a 15-piece orchestra.
15-piece
wow!
orchestra,
How does it feel to hear your music in a different kind of, I would say, grand arrangement, diba? Like, and did you take a really heavy part in...
No. Ria Villena Osorio will arrange the orchestra. She's a great musician. She's worked with Bamboo and a lot of other artists. Lahat ng mga kanta kasi na lalagyan niya ng orchestra, hindi ko pa naman naririnig lahat. Pero may isa siyang sinabit sa akin the other day. Yung puso ko, ako na mismo yung parang hindi ako to, pero wow, ito pala yung kanta ko when you put it in
Play that way,
in a very
in the orchestra.
parang wow. Ako mismo parang humiwala yung sarili ko sa aking self na tinignan, wow, ito pala yung kanta ko.
POV ka bigla.
Parang ganun, oo. Sort of naging fan ako ng music ko at that time nung parang wow, okay pala. Pwede naman palang ganun.
Yeah, so kasi nga we talked about it earlier, so your music is usually the lullaby type, diba, the very soothing ganun, but this time because of an orchestra coming into play, it's gonna be a bit more powerful.
Powerful but still soothing.
Yes, yes. So, again, something interesting to very much look forward to in your concert. Love that. Well,
ako rin nga, excited din ako. Looking forward to it.
Have you heard the entire...
Not yet. No, not yet. So...
Siyempre, you can't experience it first time sa concert mo mismo, di ba? Pero if you could, no? Like, let it just... I imagine... I'm wondering how can an artist just listen to things for the first time that way. Di ba? Parang, hindi mo ma-experience, but then again, I'm so excited for you.
Thank you.
For that to
Shai.
happen,
Thank you.
man. All right, well, this time, if your music could be described in a specific time of day, what would it be? Liwayway as in dawn or dapit hapon as in dusk, and why?
Again, siguro, since I'm a very positive person, liwayway would be the best. Because you're starting your day and through the hustle and bustle ng streets, kung meron kang naririnig na pampakalma, it's better, I think. Parang
Speaking
ganun.
of random question here, what time does Jonoy start his day actually?
Oh, definitely 5 a.m.
Oh, no way!
Yes, because I have a dog. We have a dog.
Well, I have a dog too, but that doesn't mean 5 a.m. What?
Ginigising ako ng dog ko ng 5 a.m.
What?
So, to walk. Yeah.
Okay.
So,
very good naman yung lifestyle mo. Nakakainis.
Nasanay na rin yung katawan ko. So, I'm used to it.
That's even after gigs, ha? Mga ganun.
Though yung mga gigs ko lately, it's early gigs. Like, we finish at maybe 8 or 9 and then I go home.
Okay.
So, it's not too late.
Pang quote, normal na tao.
Parang
yung
ganun.
oras. Na pwede pa rin ng 5 a.m. magigising. Oh, man. Well, that makes Jonoy, better than us, I guess.
No. I think nandun na ako sa age na magwawalis sa madaling araw.
Neighbor, good morning, neighbor.
Morning, neighbor. Yeah.
I get
Tipong nakikita ko yung mga, lahat ng papasok, ganun sa kalsada.
So, you're just drinking your coffee while people pass by, ganun, and you're holding the dog leash.
It's fine.
Very rural life. I love that. Well, thank you so much for this really
Thank
quick
you for having me.
conversation.
Thank
Absolutely
you.
our pleasure. And even if, you indulge us even just a little bit with the different songs earlier, ang saya-saya ka na yun. What more pa para sa concert mo, diba? But yes, on that note, please do invite everyone to check you out, whether on Facebook, social media, and also, of course, your little thing happening soon.
Yeah, March 14 and 15, liwayway at Dapit Hapon. Metropolitan Theater in Manila. Ticketmelon.com for tickets. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, X, or Twitter. What else? TikTok. At Janoy Danao lahat. Yeah.
There you go, everyone. Mr. the Great Jonoy Danao here on Easy Rock Plugged In. Thank you once again. And of course, my name is DJ Shai. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to listen to this song. He's already warming up just a little bit. So for everyone else, don't go away. I mean, for everyone rather, don't go away because now we'll be listening to Jonoy perform his song called Ikaw at Ako. My name is Shai. I'll check you guys again next time. Love you. Bye.
Ikaw at ako pinagtagpo, nag-usap ang ating puso, nagkasundong magsama habang buhay. Nagsumpaan sa may kapal, walang iwanan, tag-init o tagulan, haharapin bawat unos na magdaan. Sana'y di magmaliw ang pagtingin, kay daling sabihin kay hirap gawin. Sa mundong walang katiyakan, sabay nating gawin kahapon ng bukas. Ikaw at ako, pinag-isa tayong dalawa, may kanya-kanya sa isa't isa. Tayo ay sumasandal, bawat hangad kayang abutin, sa pangambay di paaalipin. Basta't ikaw, ako, tayo, magpakailanman. Kung minsan ay di ko nababanggit, pag-ibig ko'y di masukat ng anumang lambing. At kung magkamali akong ika'y saktan, puso mo ba'y handang magpatawad? Di ko alam ang gagawin kung mawala ka. Buhay ko'y may kahulugan tuwing ako iyong hagkan. Umabot man sa ating huling hantungan, kapit puso kitang hahayaan. Ngayon at kailanman, ikaw at ako. Ikaw at ako,